Good day, sir. Ako day si AG Sigurado niya. Ma-explain ko gamay sa current variation. So, mao ni ang formula, sir. Ang formula, sir, is add or subtract. This name negative equals same name positive. Ang imo gihatag nga given, sir, is 4 degree and 5 minutes west 2009 and 8 minutes at east. Yang mangkuha ta sa present year, sir, is 2024 present year and minus 2009 current year equals 15 years. So magkuha ta sa manual change 8 times 15 equals 120. So convert to degrees. Ang 120 divided by 60 equals 2 degrees is ang present year, sir, is 2024 current to 2009. Ang present year, sir, is ang present year sa 2024, sir, is 2 degrees S. Ang present year sa 2024 is 4 degrees and 5 minutes west. Ang 4 times 2 equal 2. Ang atong i-breakdown ang 5. Ang variation, sir, is 2 degrees and 5 minutes west. Mao ra ta, sir, na thank you.